Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to install the Yubo app on a device. Now if you want to install the Yubo app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if you are not connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data, then you won't be able to install the app. So after that you just need to open the app store on a device, and from here you'll see the various options like today, games, app, arcade and search at the very bottom of the taskbar. So click on the option of search box, and from here you just need to search the app Yubo. So from here you just need to click on the app Yubo, and it says Yubo make friends and live chat. So here you will see the option of get highlighted on blue, so click on it, and after that you just need to click on the option of install highlighted on blue again. So this is for iPhone, and if you're using Android you just need to open Play Store, and from there you just need to search the Yubo app and click on the option of install. So by doing all of it you will be able to install the app on a device. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.